Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. So you want to grow some hydroponic tomatoes. Remember hydroponics, hydro water, that you're going to be growing them in some type of container. And indoors, of course, you can grow them on a porch or patio. Do remember that you need about 6 hours of bright sun a day, or you need an area where you're getting a high artificial light, either a grow light or even a fluorescent tube, or even a incandescent bulb, but you've got to be within about a foot or so of your plant. Typically when you're growing in hydroponics, you're going to pump the solution through at least once a day, or it'll have some type of reservoir where it'll hold the water and nutrients in the base of the plant. You can see this container, we've got some reservoir in the bottom, and it'll simply kind of drain back through. If we had a little tube and a pump, we could actually pump it back through this container 2 or 3 times a day. Many people like that idea because they think they're giving their plant that constant nutrient on a constant basis. The idea originally was developed during the war times, when people couldn't have fresh fruit when the guys were fighting in faraway places. Today, many people like the idea of having it just in their own backyard or in their house because it makes for a convenient way to add to your vegetable production. For AskMrGreenThumb.com, I'm Stan DeFreitas.